What is up, my Jack Lanterns? Jack back with another video, and today I'm just going to do a review on the Red Dragon K552 mechanical keyboard. Honestly, a very inexpensive keyboard. It's only about 40 bucks by Red Dragon, of course. And I want to get the box real quick. This is the box, Red Dragon. Nothing fancy. Came in bubble wrap. I tried doing unboxing, but I had one arm and I was trying to open it with one hand. It wasn't working out. It also comes with this. You can take the keys off. Turn this off. It's definitely not Cherry MX. That's alright. I wasn't really expecting Cherry MX. So I'm not worried about it. And the key goes back on pretty easily. Turn the lights back on, FN scroll lock. It also has the breathing effect. If I do have it on, I like to fasten it up. So FN and plus. There you go. Really nice keyboard, honestly. Inexpensive, and it works. So I'm pretty sure you guys have all been waiting for this. But let's do a sound test. If the people over at Red Dragon want to send me a free mouse, I'd be happy to review that for you. All jokes aside, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Honestly, the keyboard's really good. I love it. I've been playing CSGO recently, as you can see on my new laptop. It runs CSGO very well. Playing it, I plug it into my monitor because I don't want to be playing on like a laptop screen. So I play on my monitor. Got the mouse, got the keyboard. Only a rank 1, but I'm trying to get better because honestly, I've never played PC games ever in my life, so it's kind of a new thing for me, so I'm still trying to get used to it, because my aim's pretty bad. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and YouTube. This is my Jackal in the Mountain Hassle. Peace.